How to set up vocal on your any iPhone. Make sure you are using latest iOS 18 or 18.1 or later version. Go to your setting and accessibility, go to vocal shortcut setup, then press on continue. Now select for which option you want to select. Suppose I am set boss for Siri. Now tell boss for 3 times, boss, boss, and press on continue. Now go back to my menu, boss. You see my Siri is opening. If you want to add another action, press on add another, take a screenshot. Now select word which you want to set as screenshot. Now again tell this is screenshot for 3 times. Now go back, screenshot, screenshot. You see it's take screenshot. And if you want to edit, then just disable it, and you can also delete separately one by one. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Thank you. Have a good day.